Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I wanted to talk to you about Google Analytics and how you can use it to analyze your conversion rate. Because if you have a lot of traffic coming to your website, but the conversion rate is below 1%, and you can find the conversion rate in your Google Analytics, it means that either the traffic coming to the website is not relevant, or there is something maybe that needs to be improved on the website. In majority of cases, the first option is usually the case. So the traffic coming to the website doesn't convert, is not relevant to the niche, and therefore you need to find the traffic that converts the best for you and then focus on those traffic sources. So in Google Analytics, you can find where your visitors are coming from. Usually they come from Google organic search, they come from referrals such as email marketing. They can come from Facebook ads if you run PPC campaign, they can come from Instagram, they can come from organic social media marketing, they can come from other referrals. If you've got backlinks, they can also come from other sources. So in Google Analytics, under audiences, you can dive a little deeper and actually sort out all of those sources of traffic sending you visitors, sort them out on the basis of the conversion rate. So you can see which of these sources convert the best. So for example, if the newsletter converts much better than Google organic search, you can focus then on driving more traffic from newsletters. If you double the traffic, your revenue will double automatically. So this is really that easy. You just have to spend at least it takes me between 30 and 60 minutes when I analyze, when I review Google Analytics for the client. And it's really wealth of information. It's really worth investing in it. If you don't know how to do it, if Google Analytics is a little bit overwhelming, which I found that at the very beginning, I don't think I opened Google Analytics. Well, I opened, but I don't think I really analyzed anything apart from the main dashboard on Google Analytics within the first at least 7-8 years of using Google Analytics, because it just felt so overwhelming. So I do now specialize in it. This is one of my specialties. I do offer full Google Analytics review for $100. So this is one-off fee. And this is really worth investing in, because it gives you a lot of information as to which traffic you should focus on. You know this rule, 80-20 rule. The 80% of the results you get are generated by 20% of your actions. So basically 20% of all of the traffic sources generate 80% of your sales. So if you double the traffic from those 20% of traffic sources, this is really easy way to save on the workload, save on your time, save on the marketing budget, and double the revenue, because you will focus specifically only on those traffic sources that send you customers, that send you traffic, and then send you visitors that convert, that are most likely to buy. So if you would like to invest in Google Analytics review, simply click the link below under this video and order it online, and it's ready within 24-48 hours. So I do recommend investing in it. It is a small enough revenue, it's a small enough investment, but it gives you a lot of information. I mean, a lot. It's really, really game changing for a lot of businesses. So click on it now and order it today. and thank me later. This was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.